In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the feature in Google Sites and how to place it on the page so visitors can jump to the sections they care about with a single click. First, open your site in Google Sites so you're in edit mode and ready to make changes. You want to be looking at the site you're actively building, not a preview or a published version, so you can add elements directly to the page. Next, go to the page where you want the table to appear. Think about where it will be most useful for your audience. Many people put a table of contents toward the top of a longer page, like a Help Center article, a course overview, or a project documentation page, so visitors can see the layout of the content right away. If your site has multiple pages, make sure you've selected the specific page that needs this outline. Now look to the right side of your screen for the panel labeled Insert. This is where Google Sites keeps most of its building blocks. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the site editor and not in the Themes or Pages views. The Insert panel lists common items like text, images, and content blocks, and it also includes more specialized elements. From that Insert panel, select Table of Contents. As soon as you choose it, a Table of Contents element will appear on your page. This panel automatically pulls in the headings that exist on the page, things like your main and subheadings, and displays them as clickable links. That means visitors can scan the outline and jump straight to a section without scrolling. If your page already uses a clear heading structure, you'll see those headings show up immediately. If there aren't many headings yet, the table will reflect what's there and update itself as the page content evolves. A quick note on how it behaves. The table of contents is dynamic. As you adjust your headings or reorganize sections, the outline refreshes to stay in sync, which keeps navigation accurate without extra work. It's also helpful for accessibility and clarity, giving readers a high-level map of your content. That's all there is to it. Open your site, go to the right page, open the Insert panel, and select Table of Contents. With just those steps, you've added a fast, user-friendly way for visitors to find exactly what they need. Thanks for watching and happy building.